Looking for a slim and portable monitor? Meet the QQH Z12-3, a 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p USB-C and HDMI monitor that seamlessly blends portability with performance. The upgraded alloy design features a stunning 1920x1080 IPS matte screen, delivering sharp, vibrant visuals and a 178-degree wide viewing angle. Whether you are working, gaming or streaming, the Z12-3 ensures consistent colors and crystal clear clarity from virtually any position. It includes a versatile PU leather cover that doubles as a durable protective case and a magnetic stand with 2 adjustable viewing angles, perfect for people on the go. Plus, the cover helps keep your screen safe from scratches. At just 0.3 inches thin and weighing only 1.7 pounds, this monitor fits effortlessly into your bag. Whether you are heading to a business meeting, working remotely, or traveling for leisure, this monitor is your ultimate companion. The monitor works with laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles like Xbox or PS5, and even cameras. It's the perfect multitasking tool for work or play. The QQH Z12-3 portable monitor is the ideal blend of style, functionality, and convenience. Whether you are enhancing productivity or immersing yourself in vibrant visuals, this monitor has you covered. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you next time!